Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how we can use the option of find, replace and go to command in Microsoft Word. Friends, how we can do work with these options, I will tell you step by step. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Now friends, I open the Word document. Here we will cover the topic find, replace and go to command. First of all, we will discuss how we can find in Microsoft Word. Go to Home tab and then at right side you can find the word of find. You can also go to with command control F. Okay, we can also go to find option, or we can open this. Both are same option. Here are the pages. If we want to find any word, then we will type here like install. Install. Friends, here you will see as I type the word install, the word install are highlighted where it is present. As you see, the word is highlighted. This is about the find option, and we can use this option. Sometimes we have many pages and maybe multiple pages, then it's very difficult to find word, and with this option we can easily find any word in document. Now second option is replace. How we can use replace option? And to use the replace option, go to the replace option, like here, click on replace. You can also open with Ctrl plus H. Like if you want to open with command Ctrl plus H, then it's also open. Here first of all it will find the word, then it will replace. Friends, first of all I will tell you here are different options. First of all it will find, then replace, and here are replace option and replace all. Replace mean it will replace one word only. Replace all mean all words in a complete document with one click. Friends, when I will use the replace option, then I will click on first of all I will click on find. Friends, it will find the word Microsoft, and if I want to replace with Google, then I will click on replace. Friends, here you will see this is the he changed the word Microsoft to Google, and then find the other word Microsoft. And if I will click on replace, then you will see it's also replaces to word Google. This option will do the find, and then it replace with our desired word. Sometimes we have a long document and we want to change any specific word, then it's very difficult to change manually. So with the help of this command, it's very easily change in a few seconds or with a single click. So this is all about the replace command. And if we will click on replace all, then it will replace the all words in a document of Microsoft with Google. So this is the option of replace command. Now if we want to see how go to command works, when we click Ctrl plus G command, then the go to command option is open, or we can also open from here like this, find, and we can go to you can also use this through with mouse. If we want to use with keyboard, then you need to click Control key plus G. It will open. Here are different sections which will work with Go to command like page, section, line, bookmark, comments, footnote, and a number of options are available. We can use these options. We want to specific page, if like page number 2 or 3, then I will click here page number 2 and I will click here go to. Now friends, we are on page number 2, as you see 2 of 2, and if we want to page number 1, we will type here page number 1 and we will click on go to as we are here on page number 1. So go to command work as this menu, and if we want if we work with section, then we can also use this. If we want to go specific line, then we will type the number of line like 5 and click on go to, and we are now on line number 5. Now go to command work in a Word document like this fashion. Now friends, this is all about find, replace and go to command. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write me in comments. I will help you and I will guide you how you can use these options. Thanks.